going back home, everyone, with my 2 luggage in an airport in Istanbul. By the way, I bought myself a bag for me and my sis, a Louis Vuitton. No kidding. Sorry. I am giving off some vibe that says, oh, I'm giving off bitchy vibes. Not a bitch, I'm not a bitch, but all those girls when you want to act all stylish and fashionista like Kim Kardashian. A little bit bitchy. So how are you guys? I'm actually kind of well. The reason why I'm well is not because I'm going back home. It's because a person replied to my text. I thought they didn't care, but they cared. The fact that they cared is so happy. By the way, I just want to say that usually, like, we girls, we overthink, and especially me personally, I overthink. So yesterday I was overthinking a whole lot why people ignored me, and I was gonna come here, and it was like my last day in Ankara and stuff. So I was just so sad. I even went to that Jami that I always go when I'm feeling so emotional, and usually I cry there and I kind of feel well. Yesterday I did so many stuffs. I cried there, tried to cry. I cried in the park also. I swing, and I packed. And today I'm here. So yeah, stuff like that. And today I kind of feel well because yesterday I left the city, which I learned at, with a heavy heart. I was saying I'm gonna leave this city with a heavy heart. With a heavy heart, I was repeating heavy heart so many times, and yeah, yesterday I left the city with such a heavy heart. But today I'm living it with a happy heart because a person replied, and just that the fact that they showed that they care is more than enough for me. But I'm gonna act all low, I'm not gonna go and act tough and stuff like that. I'm just gonna stay low. But I'm glad that a person replied. Okay. Bye. Goodbye, guys. I'm just gonna say goodbye.